about compound words. What are the compound words? Before explaining what the compound words are, let's take a look at this example. What do you see in this picture? Sunrise. Excellent. The word sunrise, how many parts is it made up of? It's made up of two parts. The first part or the first word is sun and the second word is rise. Both words are put together to form one word. They make up a compound word. Let's see the next example. Living room. The word living room or the term living room, how many parts is it made up of? It's made up of two parts or two words. The first word is living. The second word is room. Both words are used together to tell about or to refer to a place. They make up a compound word. What is a compound word? A compound word is formed when two or more words put together to make a new word. So the compound word is two or more words that are put together or are used together to make or to refer to a new word. What are the types of compound words? Compound words can be found in three types. They can be written in three ways. The first type is one word. A compound word can be found as two words that are written as one word. For example, what is this word? Firefighter. How many parts is it made up of? It's made up of two parts. The first part is fire. The second part is fighter. Both words, they refer to the person who puts out the fire. So this word is a compound word. Why is it a compound word? Because it's made up of two words that are put together to make a new word. The second type is separate words. Compound words can be found as two separate words. For example, ice cream. How many words is it made up of? The term or the word is made up of two words. The first word is ice. The second word is cream. Both words are used to refer to something or one item. How is the compound word written? It's written as two separate words, but the two words are used together to refer to one item, which is the ice cream. That's why the two words make up a compound word. The third type is words with a hyphen. What does that mean? What is this word well known? The term well known, how many words is it made up of? It's made up of two words. The first word is well, the second word is known, and the hyphen is the dash between the two words. This dash, we call it a hyphen. What is the meaning of the term well known? What do you see in this picture? Who is that? This is Mohammed Salah. Mohammed Salah is a well-known player. When I say that he is a well-known player, what do I mean? I mean that all people know about him. He is known to all people. He is a well-known figure or a well-known player. The second example is the water. What happens when the water temperature reaches 100 degrees? The water boils. So this information is a well-known fact. This is a well-known fact about water. What does that mean? It means that this fact or this information, it's known to all people. All people know about it. So the term well-known, it's made up of two parts or two words to describe or to refer to something. So the two parts make up a compound word. Let's start with the first type of compound words. Compound words written as one word. Somebody. How many words is it made up of? Two words. What is the first word? Some. What about the second word? Body. The two words are being put together or used together to make up a new word, which is somebody. So this is a compound word. How is it written? It is written as one word. Fireplace. Repeat after me. Fireplace. How many words is it made up of? It's made up of two words, fire and place. The two words are joined together, used together to make up a new word, which is fireplace. So it is a compound word. How is it written? It is written as one word. Nearby, which means close or not far away. For example, we do have nearby trees where we live. It means that we have the trees are close to our house. How many words is it made up of? Two words. The first word is near, the second word is by. The two words are joined together to make up a new word. So it is a compound word. How is it written? It's written as one word. Toothbrush. It's made up of two parts or two words. What is the first word? Tooth. The second word, brush. The two parts or the two words, they are joined together or used together to make up a new word to refer to something. So it is a compound word. How is this compound word written? It is written as one word. Homesick. What is the meaning of the word homesick? Homesick means to be feeling lonely and to miss your own house. So when someone is homesick, this means that he or she misses his own or her own house. Great. So let's check this word. How many words is it made up of? It's made up of two words. The first word is home. The second word is sick. The two words are used together to make up a new word, which is homesick. So it is a compound word. How is it written? It is written as one word. Anything. Let's check this word. How many words is it made up of? It's made up of two words. The first word is any. The second word is thing. The two words are used together or are joined together to make up a new word. So it is a compound word. Goodbye. The first word is good. The second word is bye. So the two words are joined together or are used together to make up a new word. So it is a compound word. How is it written? It is written as one word. Forehead. What do we call this part of the face? We call it forehead. So again, this word is made up of two words. The first word is fore, the second word is head. The two words are joined together to make up a new word. So it is a compound word and it is written as one word. Classmate. What is the meaning of the word classmate? It means a member of the class. So these kids, they are all classmates, which means that they are members of that class. Let's check the word. It's made up of two words. The first word is class. The second word is made. The two words are used together to make up a new word. So it is a compound word. What type of compound word is it? It is a one-word compound word. Flashlight. This word is made up of two words. The first word is flash. The second word is light. The two words are joined together to make up a new word. So it is a compound word. What type of compound word is it? It is a one-word compound word. Great. Another word. Haircut. The first word is hair. The second word is cut. So this word is a compound word. The two words are used together to make up a new word. How is it written? It is written as one word. Driveway, which is the road. The first word is drive. The second word is way. The two words are used together to make up a new word. So it is a compound word. How is it written? It is written as one word. Airport. The first word is air. The second word is port. The two words are used together to make up a new word. So it is a compound word. Forever. Again, it's made up of two words. The first word is for. What about the second word? It is ever. The two words are used together to make up a new word. So it is a compound word. Mailbox. The first word is mail. The second word is box. The two words are used together to make up a new word. So this is a compound word. What type of compound word is it? It is a one-word compound word. Now let's move to the compound words written as two separate words. Two words that are separate, not joined, but they are used together to make up a new word that refers to something. All right. The term or the word all right is made up of two parts or two words. The first word is all, the second word is right. The two words are used together to make up a new word, so it is a compound word. What type of compound word is it? It is two separate words. How is it written? It is written as two separate words. What is the meaning of the word all right? It means okay, everything is fine. Alarm clock. The word alarm clock is made up of two words. The first word is alarm, the second word is clock. The two words are used together to refer to one thing or to refer to something, so it is a compound word. How is it written? It is written as two separate words, but the two words are used together to form another new word. Great. And now the compound words with a hyphen. Compound words with dash between the words. The first example is make-believe. Make-believe is pretending that something is real or imagining that something is real. So what about the tall tales? What about Gulliver's Travels tale? Or what about Storm Along? Are these tales real? No. But these stories are make-believe. It means while reading the story, we pretend that they are real, but of course they are not real. So what is the meaning of the word make-believe? It means pretending that the story is real, which is, or imagining that this story is real. Okay, but of course it's not real. The term make-believe is made up of two words. The first word is make, the second word is believe. Both words are used together to make up a new word. So it is a compound word. How is it written? It's written with a hyphen in the middle or with a dash in the middle. Another word, 22. The word 22 is made up of two words. The first word is 20. The second word, both words are used together to make up a new word and to refer to something, which is a number. So this is a compound word. What type of compound word is it? It is a compound word with a hyphen. What is the meaning of a hyphen? It is the slash that separates the two words. The last word, babysit. What is the meaning of babysit? So to babysit is to take care of a child or a baby. Let's check the word. The word is made up of two parts or two words. The first word is baby, the second word is sit. Both words are used together to make up a new word. So it is a compound word. What type of compound word is it? It's a compound word with a hyphen. What is the meaning of the hyphen? The hyphen is the slash that separates the two words. And now let's move to the reader's notebook, page 136. Let's answer the exercise together. Write the basic word that best replaces the underlined word from the box. So you will need to choose a word from the box and to replace the underlined words. My parents asked me to look after my sister. So the answer will be, my parents asked me to babysit my sister. As soon as their car left the lane from our garage, it means the road from our garage or the way from our garage. What do we call this? We call this the driveway. Amelia decided to be naughty. She found the scissors and gave her doll a short trim or a shortcut. So the answer will be a haircut. Now you can see the doll's whole part of the face above her eyes. When we can see the doll's whole forehead, great. Then she ran into my room and broke my instrument for telling time. She broke my alarm clock, great. I know that there were more than 22 pieces of it on the floor. I scolded Amelia, and she seemed to cry for all time, forever. She was so upset that she even refused to play Tinkerbell, who is her favorite pretend character, her favorite make-believe character. But I grabbed not far away, I grabbed a nearby small lamp powered by batteries. I grabbed the nearby flashlight and waved it around. She stopped crying and was fine. Watching Amelia is a hard job. And now your homework will be Reader's Notebook pages 137, 138, plus the spelling worksheets. Thank you so much. Wait for the next video, inshallah.